Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And already in 2023, we've had one full week of trading under our belts. But early optimism and early energy has faded. Investors pointing the finger of blame across the pond to the Federal Reserve, or at least one of them, the chairman, who is Jerome Powell. He's giving a talk at a conference which some investors say will give clues about the US central bank's views about US monetary policy. Well, Powell's speech is entitled thus: Central Bank Independence and the Mandate, Evolving Views. And I suppose with a title like that, it's as good as share trading euthanasia, because it is in fact rather dull and could send stock markets to sleep. Well, the macroeconomic view has featured large in the recent investor update from Hornby. The model maker says it remains cautious in its outlook for the full year and beyond due to the impact of inflation and mortgage costs on consumers. It is, though, excited about this year's products, which it launched today, which includes a new control system for trains utilising Bluetooth technology to connect to phones or tablets, which will replace traditional systems in the market. Well, maybe Network Rail should sign up as a customer and commuters could control trains wirelessly at will. Now, that might sound bonkers at present, but who knew that the UK would try to launch satellites from Cornwall? Okay, fact fiction. Which brings me to publishing houses. Now, many of you will know that on my radar, I have Harry Potter publisher Bloomsbury Publishing. And today saw the official release of another Harry title, Spare, the story about the mental anguish of the current Duke of Sussex. Now, this has been published by Penguin Random House, which is owned by Bertelsmann, which is a private German multinational conglomerate corporation. So no direct investment opportunity in that company, but I keep Bloomsbury Publishing firmly on my radar. Okay, let's stay with pastimes, and investors have heard from Games Workshop, the FTSE 250 listed tabletop games and miniature retailer. It had a good 2022, sales topping £200 million for the first time in the company's history. However, the boss is managing our expectations with the war in Ukraine, the cost of living crisis, and the hangover from COVID still being felt, and the company's dissatisfaction with sales and progress in the US. But there is still chat about the company making content with or for Amazon, so maybe Warhammer the movie will be hitting the silver screen in our living room soon. And this potential tie-up is described by billboarder Warren B. Jr. as a fever tree, Apple, Tesla moment. But we won't talk about the satellites being launched from Cornwall. There will be another time. Well, I will be back same time next week. Stay well.